Hello and welcome to FinTech Conversations with Chiedozie. My name is Chiedozie. I'm a FinTech transformation consultant and speaker. This is my series on FinTech versus banking revolution, 7 opportunities for startups in 2019. The first part of the series is called Progress with Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is simply the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. The machines are taught these processes, and once they've fully learned the processes, they're then able to replicate those processes autonomously. The first part of artificial intelligence I would like to touch on is fraud. Annually, the banks in the UK lose at least £300 million to fraudsters. Although that these banks have implemented software to help in the fraud monitoring process, there is human intervention. If we're able to deploy artificial intelligence in this area, what you would find is that there will be 99.9% accuracy in fraud monitoring, and the banks will also achieve massive cost savings in the process of fraud monitoring. The next one is Know Your Customer, KYC. The big banks are highly regulated. So what you would find is there is a requirement that all their customers are identified and that they are who they say they are. Currently, the big banks have huge operations behind this. But with artificial intelligence, such as the one that's being deployed by a company called iProve, it is now possible to do remote customer authentication using biometric technology, and therefore making the onboarding process for customers seamless and very pain-free. It immediately removes all the costs that's attached to the KYC processes, reducing the amount of time it takes to onboard customers and removing the cost to the bank to run these operations. The third point in artificial intelligence is data. The big banks have operated for so many years, and what this means is that they have shared loads of data. In most cases, they are all over the place. Now, if you apply data science and put artificial intelligence on top of that, what you will have is rich information on customer behavior. Therefore, you'll be able to craft a very intelligent marketing targeting and also organizational strategy that actually aligns with historical data. These are just a few of the opportunities in artificial intelligence. There are so many more use cases that are in the works, and I strongly believe that there are opportunities for startups to go into the big banks and help them to get these implemented as quickly as possible. In the next episode of this series of FinTech versus Banking Revolution, I'll be talking about Bank in a Box. If you have found any value in these videos, please hit the subscribe button and even the bell button so that you'll be the first to hear when I put out another video. Until the next episode, abundant blessings.